Welcome in Aswani classes. Today here I am before you to discuss a new topic in mathematics called polynomial. In this video we want to discuss what is polynomial, what are the terms and results related to polynomial, what are the type of polynomial. These things we want to discuss in one video. Okay, so let us see polynomials. This is a very important one. Before knowing polynomials, you should know two things. One is positive integer and second is algebraic expression. First of all, try to understand what are positive integers. You know integers, 0 if you go on increasing, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you this side go on decreasing, -1, -2, -3 and so on. All these are called integers. ये सबको integers बोलते हैं. And all integers are less than plus infinity. It will continue up to plus infinity and this side up to minus infinity. याद रखना है, plus infinity is not an integer. ये कोई integer नहीं. This shows boundary of this set of integers. Set of integer का last limit बता रहा है. ये बता रहा है कि all the integers are less than plus infinity. But plus infinity itself is not an integer, it is a symbol only. Similarly, minus infinity is not an integer, but all integers are greater than minus infinity. It is a symbol only. Okay. Now you rough this part. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are called positive integers. समझ गए positive integers क्या है? Positive integers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 whatever you take, these are called positive integers. Secondly, algebraic expression. देखिए ये constant is a constant, is a variable. If you involve some plus sign, minus sign, is a constant, is a constant, is a variable. 5x, उसमें कुछ subtract कर दीजिए, is a variable into constant plus 5. These are called algebraic expression. Means a combination of constant variable with fundamental operations. A plus, minus, multiplication, these are called fundamental operation. If we take some variable, some constant and involve them with the sign of fundamental operation, then it becomes an algebraic operation. I have taken a constant, a variable, another variable, and involve them with plus and minus sign, and this is an algebraic expression. Let us write 5 minus 6x plus 8x cube is an algebraic expression. X plus 1 by x is an algebraic expression. 2x square plus 5 by x cube is an algebraic expression. Root x minus 3 is an algebraic expression. X to the power 1 by 3 plus 5 is an algebraic expression. So these all are called algebraic expressions. Understood? I am writing simply 5. Only 5 itself is an algebraic expression. All numbers are itself is an algebraic expression. 5, 6, minus 3, minus 2, 2 by 3. These are also algebraic expressions. 5. I am writing minus 6, minus 2 by 3. One constant and one variable. These are all algebraic expressions. So I hope you have understand what are algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions, positive integers. Now come to the point. Algebraic expressions where power of the variable power, you understand. Suppose you are writing x cube, then 3 is called power of x. If written x to the power 1 by 2, here power of x is 1 by 2. Power, understand? Okay. Now, if in an algebraic expression power of variable is a positive integer, एक algebraic expression में अगर variable का power एक positive integer है, for example, see first here, this is an algebraic expression where what is power of the variable? 1, which is a positive integer. This is an algebraic expression where power of the variable 2, here it is 1, here power of the variable nothing, means it is x to the power 0, x to the power 0, 1. This is an algebraic expression, here power of the variable x to the power 0, means 0, here power of the variable 2, here power of the variable 1, and so on. So if in an algebraic expression power of the variable is a positive integer, then it is called a polynomial. कोई भी algebraic expression लिख दीजिए, उसमें अगर वेरिएबल का पावर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है तो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं पोलिनोमियल. सो दिस इज ए पोलिनोमियल, दिस इज ए पोलिनोमियल, दीज आर ऑल्सो पोलिनोमियल. ये जैसे लिखे हैं ना 5 मीन्स इट इज 5x to the power 0 where power of the variable is 0. So 5 itself is a polynomial. -6 is a polynomial because it is this, and here power of the variable is 0, so it is a polynomial. -3 by 2, 2 by 3 is a polynomial. 5x is a polynomial. Here power of the variable is 1, which is a positive integer, and hence is a polynomial. So an algebraic expression in which power of the variable are positive integers called a polynomial. Understood what are polynomials? These are polynomial, this is a polynomial, this all are polynomials. Now what about this? Come to here. This can be written as x plus x to the power -1. So here power of the variable is -1, so it is not a polynomial. Power of the variable should not be negative, should not be any fraction. It is not a polynomial. What about this? This is an algebraic expression. This can be written as 2x square by x cube, means 1 by x, plus 5 by x cube, means 5x to the power -3. So here power of the variable comes negative, so it is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Here power of the x is 1 by 2, which is a fraction. This is not a positive integer, so this is not a polynomial. Here power of x is 1 by 3, so it is also not a polynomial. If power of x comes negative or any fraction, then it will not be a polynomial. Power of x should always be positive integer, then it is a polynomial. If you are writing 1 by 2, it is a polynomial because here power of x is 0, which is a positive integer. 0 itself is a polynomial because 0 can be written as 0x to the power 0, so 0 is also a polynomial. So I think you have understand what are polynomials and what are not polynomials and why these are not polynomials. This is not polynomial, this is also not polynomial, this is also not polynomial. So you have understand why these are not polynomial and why these are polynomials. Okay. You have understand algebraic expression, terms of an algebraic expression, and coefficient of an algebraic expression. See, one second, just a minute. This is an algebraic expression. If anyone asks what are its terms, तो टर्म्स बोलने से एक्स स्क्वायर ये एक टर्म्स हो गया, साइन के साथ, साइन को मत छोड़िएगा, इज ए टर्म, और ये 5 एक टर्म है. ये जो -6 है इज कॉल्ड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस टर्म. इस टर्म का कोफिशिएंट है. व्हाट इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस टर्म? कुछ नहीं है आगे, मतलब 1 इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस टर्म। इसका कोफिशिएंट, ये खुद एक कोफिशिएंट है, 5 itself is coefficient because 5 can be written as 5 to the power 0, so 5 itself is a coefficient। समझे? तो टर्म समझ गए, कोफिशिएंट समझ गए, ओके। Now come to another point. See, 5 minus 6 minus 2 by 3 5x, these all are polynomials, and in these polynomials how many terms are there? एक ही टर्म है सब में, सिंगल टर्म। पोलिनोमियल हैविंग सिंगल टर्म, एक टर्म जिसमें हो, ये एक टर्म वाला पोलिनोमियल को बोला जाता है मोनोमियल। मोनोमियल, मोनो माने होता है एक, मोनो मीन्स वन। So if a polynomial having one term, then these are called monomials. So I hope you have understand what is monomials. See here, ये दोनों को देखिए, how many terms are here? One is 5, second is x, one is 5x, another is -3. So this type of polynomials are called binomials. और देख लीजिए, जैसे आप लिख दिए 2x² + 5, हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? एक टर्म, दो टर्म। आप लिखे 5 to the power 8 + x to the power 3, हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? 2 टर्म तो दो ही है ना। तो दीज ऑल आर कॉल्ड बाइनोमियल, BINOMIALS, बाइनोमियल्स। बाई माने होता है 2, बाइनोमियल मीन्स 2 टर्म्स। Polynomials having 2 terms are called binomials. Polynomial having 1 terms are called monomials. Understand? Similarly, the polynomial having 3 terms, ये देखिए, how many terms? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. If a polynomial having 3 terms, then these are called trinomials, TRI, trinomials. In this way we can categorize polynomials, monomials, binomials, trinomials. Having 3 terms called trinomial. Tri means 3, having 3 terms then trinomial. Bi means 2, mono means 1, monomial means having 1 term. So in this way you can categorize as a monomial, binomial and trinomials. Okay. If an algebraic expression is given, you can recognize whether it is polynomial or not. This is not a polynomial, this is not a polynomial. Understood why? Because power of x is coming negative integer, power of x is coming fraction, then these are not polynomial. Okay. Now few more things are there. Now come here, in this polynomial, okay, these are monomials. What is the highest power of the variable? What is the highest power of the variable in this polynomial? I am writing here 5 itself is a polynomial. What is the highest power of the variable? Here variable is this, so highest power of the variable is 0. So whenever in a polynomial power of the variable is 0, like -6, -7/2, these all are polynomial with power of x is 0. So these are called constant polynomial. Constant polynomials. ये सबको हम लोग बोलते हैं कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल्स. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल्स? नाउ लेट अस सी ए पोलिनोमियल्स. 5x minus 3 is a polynomials. What is highest power of the variable? Here power of the variable is 1, here power of the variable is 0. So highest power of the variable is 1. So this type of polynomial, let us see another polynomial. 6 minus x. Here highest power of the variable is 1. This type of polynomials are called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, and secondly here this 0 is the highest power of the variable. Here this 0 is called degree of the polynomial. These are called constant polynomial of degree 0. Degree of the polynomial is called 0. Here what is the highest power of the variable? 1. So these are called linear polynomial of degree 1. अच्छा नाम बाद में सीखेंगे. इन सबको क्या बोलते हैं? पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 1. डिग्री 1 बोलेंगे. डिग्री मीन्स हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द पोलिनोमियल. लेट अस से 5x square minus 6 is a polynomial. How many terms are there? That is not the matter. What is highest power of the variable? 2. Here it is 0, x to the power 0. So it is a polynomial of degree 2. Understand what is degree of a polynomial? I am writing 5 minus 6 x to the power 7 plus 5x square. What is degree of this polynomial? Highest power, सबसे ज्यादा x to the power 7. So its degree is 7. So I hope you have understand what is degree of a polynomial. Degree may be 0. Here degree 0, degree 0. These are called constant polynomial. Degree 1, degree 2, degree 7. Degree may be 3, may be 4. So what is degree of a polynomial? You have understand. पोलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल का हाईएस्ट पावर देखेंगे. जितना हाईएस्ट पावर है वो उसका डिग्री होगा. चलिए कुछ और चीज देखेंगे. लेट मी रफ फर्स्ट. सो यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर टर्म्स ऑफ ए पोलिनोमियल, व्हाट आर मोनोमियल, व्हाट आर बाइनोमियल, व्हाट आर ट्राइनोमियल, व्हाट आर द पोलिनोमियल्स ऑफ डिग्री 1, degree 2, degree 3 means degree of a polynomial. You have understand. Now you have to understand some type of polynomials. See, these are 5 minus 6 minus 2 by 3. These are polynomial of degree 0. So these are called constant polynomials. Constant polynomials. समझिए. Here degree is 0. Okay, these are called constant polynomials. Understand? How degree 0 you understand? 5 can be written as 5x to the power 0. So its degree is 0. This type of polynomial 2x minus 3, simply 5x minus 3y. Here these are polynomials in one variable x. Variable may be y. Variable may be y also, no problem. 3 in place of x, it is y, no harm. So these are the polynomial of degree 1. Highest power of the variable is 1. Here highest power, here variable is y and highest power of y is 1. So these are polynomial of degree 1. So if in a polynomial degree is 1, then these are called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means डिग्री 1 होगा, तब उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे लीनियर पोलिनोमियल. सो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर लीनियर पोलिनोमियल. ए जनरल नोटेशन ऑफ लीनियर पोलिनोमियल इज ax प्लस बी. एक लीनियर पोलिनोमियल को जनरल वे में हम लोग लिखते हैं ax प्लस बी. देखिए कोई भी ये जैसे लीनियर पोलिनोमियल है ना, ये इस फॉर्म में आएगा. देखिए 2x प्लस 2x माइनस 3. सो हियर a इज 2 and b is minus 3. 5x, it is in this form, इस फॉर्म में सब आएगा. 5x can be written as 5x plus 0, so a is 5, b is 0. Minus 3y, it is also in that form, it is minus 3y, so minus 3y plus 0, so a is minus 3, b is 0. So any linear polynomial may be written in this form, ax plus b. You should write where a, b are real numbers and a should not be 0. ये भी लिखना जरूरी है. If a is 0, तब तो ये फिर लीनियर नहीं रहेगा ना, तब तो ये कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल बन जाएगा. सो इन केस ऑफ लीनियर पोलिनोमियल ये 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, तब ये लीनियर पोलिनोमियल होगा. सो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर लीनियर पोलिनोमियल. लीनियर पोलिनोमियल में एक टर्म हो सकता है, 2 टर्म भी हो सकता है. दीज ऑल आर लीनियर पोलिनोमियल. 2 से ज्यादा टर्म हो सकता है क्या लीनियर पोलिनोमियल में? नो. आप 2 से ज्यादा टर्म लिखने का कोशिश कीजिए, कुछ और लिख लीजिए इधर, तो ये तो ऐड हो जाएगा इसके साथ, तो ऐड हो जाएगा तो फिर वही 2 ही टर्म बनेगा. सो इन ए लीनियर पोलिनोमियल मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स में भी 2. यू कैन नॉट राइट ए लीनियर पोलिनोमियल हैविंग 3 टर्म्स. 2 टर्म होगा या तो उससे कम होगा, 1 टर्म होगा. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स विल बी 2. ये हुआ लीनियर पोलिनोमियल. लीनियर पोलिनोमियल समझ गए? अच्छा, एक पोलिनोमियल यहां देखिए, 2x स्क्वायर minus 5x plus 6. Here highest power of the variable is 2. I am writing x square only. 6 minus 3x square. This type of polynomial where degree is 2. These are called quadratic polynomial. ये सबको क्या बोलते हैं? QUADRATIC, quadratic polynomial. ये सबको बोलते हैं हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल्स. इसमें डिग्री होगा 2. समझ गए बात? एंड इन ए क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स विल बी मैक्सिमम 3, मे बी 1, मे बी 2, मे बी 3, मैक्सिमम 3. 4 टर्म्स का क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल आप नहीं लिख सकेंगे, वो 3 टर्म में रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड इन जनरल ए क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल इज रिटन इन दिस वे, ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c. दिस इज द जनरल नोटेशन फॉर ए क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल वेयर a, b, c are constants, or you can write real number, and a should not be 0. a 0 कर देंगे तो ये टर्म हट जाएगा, तब तो फिर ये लीनियर पोलिनोमियल बन जाएगा ना. तो इन ऑर्डर टू से इट इज ए क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल, दिस a should not be 0, and then only degree of the polynomial will remain 2. so degree of the polynomial अगर 2 है तो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल. if there is a degree 3, दिस टाइप ऑफ पोलिनोमियल, आप ऐसे लिख लीजिए, दिस टाइप ऑफ पोलिनोमियल हैविंग डिग्री 3, हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल 3, आर कॉल्ड क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल. क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल. ये सबको बोलते हैं हम लोग क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल्स. समझिए. एंड जनरल नोटेशन ऑफ ए क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल इज ax cube bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0 and a, b, c, d are real numbers. This is the general notation for a cubic polynomial. Similarly, a polynomial of degree 4 is called bicubic polynomials. डिग्री 3 होने से क्यूबिक, डिग्री 2 होने से क्वाड्रेटिक, डिग्री 1 होने से लीनियर, डिग्री 0 होने से कांस्टेंट। तो इन दिस वे वी कैन कैटेगराइज द पॉलिनोमियल्स, कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल्स, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स। ये a 0 होने से तो फिर ये क्यूबिक नहीं रह जाएगा ना, तो इसलिए a b c d आर एनी कांस्टेंट और यू कैन से एनी रियल नंबर, बट दिस a शुड नॉट बी 0, that is important. Few more things are there. Let us see. So you have understand what is constant polynomial, you have understand what is linear polynomial, जिसमें डिग्री 2 वाला पोलिनोमियल रहेगा उसको लीनियर पोलिनोमियल, डिग्री 1 वाला पोलिनोमियल को लीनियर पोलिनोमियल, डिग्री 2 वाला को क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल, डिग्री 3 देन इट इज कॉल्ड क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल and so on. Ax plus b is the general notation for a linear polynomial. ठीक है, linear polynomial माने इसमें डिग्री 1 होगा, where a b are constant and a not equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c is the general notation for a quadratic polynomial. ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a general notation for a cubic polynomial, where a b c d are real number but a not equal to 0. Similarly, if you want to write a polynomial of degree n, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, I want to write a polynomial of degree n, where n is a positive integer, will be written as a0 x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 and so on. What will be the last? Last is an x to the power n minus n, means x to the power 0. What will be previous one? A to the power n minus 1 and x to the power n minus 1, that is 1. अरे यहाँ a का पावर n माइनस n है 0, यहाँ x का पावर होगा n माइनस n माइनस 1. देखिए ना इसमें क्या है, x का पावर n माइनस ये है ना 1, x का पावर n माइनस 2, इसमें x का पावर n माइनस n माइनस 1, n कट जाएगा 1 मीन्स x. Here x to the power n minus n means x to the power 0, so no x. So this is the general notation for a polynomial of degree n, where a0, a1, a2, n are real numbers, but this first one a0 is not equal to 0, and this is most important, n is a positive integer called, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं called a polynomial of degree n. n डिग्री का इसको हम लोग पोलिनोमियल बोलेंगे. So I hope you have understand what is polynomial, what is degree of a polynomial, what are quadratic polynomial, what are linear polynomial, cubic polynomial. Okay. Secondly, you should know in a polynomial अगर कहीं लिखते हैं, number of terms should be finite. 1 टर्म, 2 टर्म, 3 टर्म, 4 टर्म, 10 टर्म, 20 टर्म, 100 टर्म है, लेकिन फाइनाइट होना चाहिए. नंबर ऑफ टर्म मस्ट बी फाइनाइट. जैसे अगर हम लिखते हैं x टू द पावर 150 प्लस x टू द पावर 149 प्लस लास्टली x प्लस 5 इज ए पोलिनोमियल. हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर हियर? 1 टर्म, 2 टर्म, यहां तक हो जाएगा 150 टर्म्स, और ये एक मिला के टोटल 150 टर्म्स आर हियर. Okay, what is degree of this polynomial? Highest power of the variable 150. 150 is the degree of this polynomial. So in a polynomial, number of term may be 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of terms, but number of terms must be finite. ऐसा नहीं कि हम बोलेंगे कि infinite number of terms नहीं होगा. There should be a definite number of terms. Secondly, one more important thing. This is a polynomial of degree 1, whatever degree may be, degree 1. This is a polynomial of degree 2, degree 3, it is a polynomial. In this polynomial only one variable is involved, सिर्फ एक ही variable involved है, x. So why these are called polynomial in one variable? Okay, and that variable is x. So these are called polynomial in one variable x, and polynomial in one variable is denoted by fx. ये सबको fx से denote करते हैं. fx written means it is polynomial in one variable x. समझ गए? Sometimes ये जो fx है ना, fx के जगह पर ऐसे px भी लिखते हैं, px, qx. These are the symbol denotes polynomial in one variable x. कहीं लिखा हुआ px means it is a polynomial of one variable x. कोई भी हो, ऐसा हो, ऐसा हो, ऐसा हो, जैसा भी हो, ना x का polynomial है ये. This is also indicates polynomial in one variable x. fx denotes polynomial in one variable x. If anywhere written fy, what does it mean? It means it is a polynomial in one variable y. जैसे y square minus 5. It is a polynomial in one variable y, 5 minus 6y, in this way. Polynomial in y is written as fy. Fy or sometime py or qy. In this way we write polynomial in one variable y. ये बात समझ गए? अच्छा, पोलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल, इसमें एक वेरिएबल है x, यहाँ है एक वेरिएबल y. इन ए पोलिनोमियल मे बी मोर देन वन वेरिएबल. आई एम राइटिंग x स्क्वायर प्लस 3y इज ए पोलिनोमियल, बट इट इज ए पोलिनोमियल ऑफ टू वेरिएबल. दो वेरिएबल का पोलिनोमियल है. आई एम राइटिंग x क्यूब प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस z. इट इज ए पोलिनोमियल ऑफ थ्री वेरिएबल. थ्री वेरिएबल एंड इट्स डिग्री इज 3, हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल. वेरिएबल में सबसे हाईएस्ट पावर 3 है. इट इज ए पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 3. दिस इज ए पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 2. सो पोलिनोमियल मे बी ऑफ वन वेरिएबल, मे बी ऑफ टू वेरिएबल, मे बी ऑफ थ्री वेरिएबल, एंड दीज आर द सिंबल fy, py, qy we use for writing a polynomial. So I hope you have understand what is polynomial. You can easily check whether a given expression is a polynomial or not. एक चीज और छूट गया. One most important thing, let us see here only. As I said, 5 minus 7, these are also polynomial. Okay, these are called constant polynomial. Okay, 7 is a constant polynomial. What is its degree? इसका डिग्री कितना है? It can be written like this. So minus 7 is a polynomial of degree 0. 2 is a polynomial of degree 0. All constant numbers are polynomial with degree 0. बात समझ गए? As I said earlier in this video, 0 is also a polynomial. Okay, 0 खुद भी एक polynomial है. ये सबको बोलते हैं constant polynomial. This 0 is called zero polynomial. इसको बोलते हैं zero polynomial. And what is its degree? Its degree is not defined, because if you write 0 equal to 0 into x to the power 0, it is converted into 0 और फिर पूरा 0 ही हो जाएगा. so why its degree is not defined? Its degree is not defined. This is important thing. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of constant polynomial is 1. Understood the thing? So this was an important thing. Zero polynomial. For zero polynomial, we cannot define its degree. So these were the basic things related to a polynomial and type of polynomial. In the next video, means in part 2, we discuss what is zero of a polynomial, and then after many more things are there. One thing, as I said, fx is a polynomial in x. इस टाइप का कोई भी पोलिनोमियल है तो उसको fx लिखते हैं. If you write fx equal to 0, then it is called polynomial equation. फिर से देखिए, 2x minus 3 is a polynomial of degree 1, whatever degree may be. It is a polynomial. If you write equal to 0, then now it becomes an equation. It is called polynomial equation or simply an equation. Okay. So 2x square 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5 is a polynomial, but if you write equal to 0, now it becomes polynomial equation or simply an equation. So in general we say if fx is a polynomial, then fx equal to 0 if you write, this becomes an polynomial equation. So in the next video we discuss about zero of a polynomial and रूट्स ऑफ ए पोलिनोमियल इक्वेशन. जब पोलिनोमियल इक्वेशन बन जाएगा तो उसका रूट्स होता है. तो दीज थिंग्स वी डिस्कस्ड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, एज वेल एज रिलेशन अमंग द कोफिशिएंट एंड रूट्स ऑफ ए पोलिनोमियल. पोलिनोमियल का कोफिशिएंट जानते हैं ना, दिस इज ए पोलिनोमियल, दीज आर कॉल्ड टर्म्स. 2 minus 3 5 आर द कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ द टर्म्स ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल. सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोज वी डिस्कस the relationship among the roots. First we discuss roots and zeros of a polynomial, then relationship among root and coefficients of a polynomial, then graph of a polynomial. Many things are there. So one by one we go on discussing. So in this video keep this much. Thank you for watching.